my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love to have you a part of the channel. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are just making some smothered pork chops. I did make some rice already. I made some candied yams. I've done those on my channel before on a live. The next time I do them, I might just do a regular video of those. If you would like, leave me a comment below if you want to see just a regular video of that. So these are just like 2 pork chops that I have in some flour. I did actually have them in some buttermilk. Not for like a long time, just for like 15-20 minutes. Because I didn't have a lot of time to just let them like sit. So I do have like a little bit of grease. They're not going to be like deep fried or anything. Just a little bit of grease that is heating up. So I'm going to check this. And yes, I have on gloves because I didn't want my hands getting all dirty or whatnot. So I want to make sure that they are good and floured up. So make sure the flour is not going to come off once they hit the hot grease. So I'm going to give the grease probably like I think the grease should be good. So let's just see. Yeah, it's good. They are so big, so I'm gonna let that one cook. And when I get ready to flip it over, I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can tell, I did actually already flip it over, like one of them. I'm having to cook one at a time because they're pretty big pork chops. And the other one wouldn't fit in the skillet with this one. So, I'm going to let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'll take this one out and put the other one in. So, I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So, I'm going to take this one out. Hold on. If I can try to grip it. And try to put the other one in. And let's see. One second, you guys. Okay. I know, I only cooked like 2 pork chops this time, but y'all know it's only me, so. And these were some really big pork chops, so so that one is in there. So I'm gonna take these gloves off because I'm done with the meat and throw those away. And then I'm gonna let this cook for probably like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will come back when I get ready to flip it over. Okay, so I'm about to flip it. Not the easiest with this silicone tongs or whatever, but I flipped it. So, 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out. And we're going to make some gravy. I already got my onions over here that I've already sliced up in some little circles that I've been breaking apart or whatnot. So it's going to be ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to come back in a few minutes when I get ready to take this out. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I'm just gonna take this out and set it aside. Set it aside. And now some of this flour. I'm gonna use some of this flour. That I'm gonna use some of this flour that I use to let me just see how thick this is. So I'm going to use this whisk like I always do. But I need to make enough gravy to to cover up my pork chops. So let's see. Okay. So let's see. I think I might have enough flour. Let me just get some water. Let's see, let's see. Yeah. Now, even though this is pork chops, I love chicken bouillon just because of the extra flavor. So I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon to this. I think that should be good enough. I love adding that to my gravy. So now I'm just going to stir this up. Now I'm gonna add my onions. So now I like that. That's pretty good. So I'm gonna add my onions. These are just like some, you know, some circle onions. Usually I dice them up, but I just decided to keep them like this time. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put this one in first. I'll come back when I get ready to like flip this over and put some more gravy on it and all that good stuff. So I'll be back. So I'm about to take this one out, you guys, because I'm sure it's good. As you can see. And I'm going to add this other one. So as you can see what it looks like. I'm going to add the rest of these onions to the pot. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this like cook, but I just wanted y'all to come back and see the finishing touch. And then I'm gonna let this one cook. I'm gonna turn it down. And put some gravy on top of it. But yeah. So I definitely hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm about to pair this with some rice. I also made some candied yams. And some green beans. And I do have a mukbang channel that I'm going to do a video on, which is Eat with Juicy. So, if you like this video, please leave your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.